Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fountains are a fantastic idea to transform a home into a comfortable and natural feel, both interior and exterior. The sound produced from the fountain can actually help relax the body and relieve stress. The fountain in your house, either in the backyard or in the family room, is like a miniature farm on the beach or river. The ability of the fountain to relax the atmosphere is very helpful for the residents in improving their feelings, neutralizing emotions, improving mental health, and increasing mental peace. In its physical form, a fountain as part of home decor can serve as an accent or a center of attention by displaying visual attractions in gardens, terraces, backyards, interiors, and offices. As a home decoration, there are various kinds of fountains, including wall-mounted, self-standing, sitting, and garden tables. The fountain should be designed and built according to the idea of the house. A house with a modern topic should have a modern fountain pattern as well. A wall fountain in a modern home can be made by showing the emergence of water from between walls that flows into a mini pool or flows naturally following the existing path. In the form of self-standing, a fountain can be made by flowing from stacked natural stones which have sharp angles to form a vertical square or rectangle. Water fountains can be made with a unique design by flowing water from the top of the shower that goes down to tired sections, resulting in gurgling sounds and roaring running water. Apart from natural stone, you can also use cement and concrete, which are built manually in a very simple form, which is the hallmark of a modern house. To make your modern home look more natural, you can build a fountain surrounded by a mini garden that is lush with plants. This method can make you feel like you are in outdoor, even though you build it indoors, so you can enjoy it every time you are in the house. If you prefer a natural dome in a modern home, a self-standing fountain can be made using natural stone which is shaped like a giant ball, so that it forms like a pond, where pebbles surround the fountain. There's nothing wrong to build an artistic fountain in a modern home. Combining art and simplicity can be a beauty for your home. As an accent for the fountain, you can add lights around the shower or in the pool, so it will look beautiful at night by watching the movement of the flowing water. If you're bored of seeing fountains flowing from top to bottom, you can create a fountain that fills from the bottom to a certain height. Of course, this doesn't look natural, but it can make a more dramatic look in your home.